Okay guys, quick update for Bitcoin. So as I said, big drop incoming. This is just a warm up. I'm expecting a lot more downside. I'm currently using Bitget to trade, guys. If you want to sign up, my link's pinned in the first comment description. You can see I am currently up. I am up $5,200. I was up around $6,000. I'm going to hold this short again because I expect a lot of downside. So let's cover a few charts, guys. As I've been saying, I have quite a few charts that show we were topped out. One, for instance, is this BLX chart. You can see this chart right here. We topped out, let's see, bring this a little closer. You can see we topped out right here twice now. See, we topped out at, what was it, 29,800. We topped out again at 28,200. So if we push up, your next resistance level to watch in the BLX chart is around 27,600. Again, that was an indicator to me that we were topped out. You can see we're currently at support right now on the A1 chart. We had multiple charts in confluence with this target right here around, let's see, this was 25,527. That's your current support. If that support breaks, your next support level below is going to be down here around 24,000. And I think that will probably happen. By the way, your current major resistance A1 chart is around, let's see, that is 26,650. Let me zoom out a bit. You see that was support back here. So if that pushes up, that would be resistance. However, I don't know if we'll push up that high. Again, I'm just giving you targets to pay attention to. But I want to show you why I think we have a lot of downside. This was the Z1 chart. I mentioned this in Discord. We had just crossed this ring, which was an indicator that we would have some downside. We're at support right now. You can see this trend line. So our macro trend line is support. Once that breaks, obviously have a lot of downside. You can see we're currently at support on a trend line, and we're support again on the A1 chart. So that would point to scalp along. I just want to show you how these rings played out previously. So you'll see this ring back here. We crossed it. We got a pump. The ring before, you can see we crossed that ring and had a hell of a drop. So again, I think that this current drop is just a warm up. The big drop is going to come as soon as we cross this ring here. This is the peak of the bull run chart. I mentioned this in the last video. So you can see here we have, and you can see how well priced are respecting this ring right here. You get a drop right here, support, resistance. We rode right up that ring as resistance, and in about a week, say in about a week or 2 weeks, we'll make contact. The more we drop, the sooner we'll make contact. I'm expecting a major drop when we cross that ring. Again, that's in about 2 weeks. I like to pay attention to that. By the way, guys, you can sign up to get access to all these charts if you use a link pinned in the first comment description. The M1 chart. So currently we are below the 200-week moving average. That's right here around 26,000. See, 26,400. That's your current resistance to watch. However, we're below that point. So now your resistance to watch is this fib channel line right here. And that's around 26,000. So that is your current resistance. Your next major support, as I mentioned, will be this fib channel line and or this ring. That's around 24,500. So do pay attention to that. If we get above 26,000, hold support, then you're looking to potentially come up to test around 27,000. That's your next strongest resistance above. That is the M1 chart. Guys, this is the H1 chart. You can see that we found support. When you have multiple charts in confluence showing support levels, that's why 25,500 would be a nice point to scalp along. Your current resistance right now looks to be 26,000. If we hold above that as support, next major resistance above is around 26,400, 26,500. But again, all I can tell you guys is I'm expecting a major move to happen when we cross this ring. I will keep you all updated. But again, if you do have access to the charts, this is the peak of the bull run chart. As soon as we cross this ring, that's when I expect the epic drop to start. Again, guys, if you want to sign up for Bitget, my link's pinned in the first comment description. And I do have a no VPN option for you there as well. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.